Hi everyone, Cherie here. Today I'm going to be creating a life crafted spread featuring the Citrus Twist Kit Scrapbooking add-on kit for August 2020. So the things that I have in front of me are two papers from the Scrapbooking add-on kit, but I've also printed out this journaling card, which is the digital version of the August Life Crafted Kit journaling cards. So all of the digital items you can find in the store in the digital section, and I love it because you can print them out as many times as you like, which is great. Alright, so this paper here was a pink fresh paper from the Scrapbooking add-on kit, and I've cut that to fit a full-size page protector. And this is also a pink fresh paper. I love these hearts, and I've cut that to the same size as the journaling card. So these are the three pieces that are going together to make up my spread today. So I also have other things here from the Scrapbooking add-on kit to use. I've got the chipboard flare here. I've also got the Sweet Story puffy stickers. I've got the crate paper florals here. These are thickers from the Fresh Bouquet collection. And I've also got the ephemera from the kit as well. So a couple of bits and pieces here I've got ready to use. I do also have the chipboard pieces from the Life Crafted kit. So I may use, I think I'm using this arrow from these chipboard pieces. Okay, so I do have one photo to go on the spread today. I have a little bit of text here that I've just printed out using my computer. And I also have another piece of paper here. It's actually the reverse of this blue paper. And it's just a little bit bigger than the photo. And I've just torn down one side just to add a bit of texture there. So that's going to be going underneath my photo today. Alright, so to start off with, I'm just going to grab my sewing machine and add some stitching to each of these three pieces, and then I'll pop back on and show you how I'm going to put the rest together. Okay, I've finished the stitching on each of those three pieces. So now I'm going to start adding bits and pieces to this heart card. So I've got that ephemera piece there at the bottom, and now I'm grabbing the chipboard flare that says family time and that chipboard arrow as well. So I'm going to layer those onto that ephemera piece. So I'm just laying that over the top of that chipboard flare. Now I'm just going to add a little puffy heart to the bottom of the chipboard flare, and I decided I did want it a little bit further to the right, so I'm just repositioning that. And now I can put that card aside for now. I'll add some stitching to that a little bit later. Alright, so for this Best Memories card, I'm going to add that printed text to that white box area. So that's just going straight in the middle there. I'm going to put that one aside as well, and I'm going to add the photo to my full-sized page. So I'm just adding the photo to that pink piece of paper, and then I'll be able to position that on the page. So just centering that as best I can, making sure I've got the spacing right before sticking that down. And now I'm going to grab my sewing machine and add some stitching to that page and to the Best Memories card. I just stitched across the middle of that text on that card, just added a date at the bottom there, and that puffy camera sticker, which is super cute, and I love that it's adding a little bit of blue to that card. So next up, I've got this acetate piece that I want to add to the bottom of the page. But because it's clear, you wouldn't be able to see it against that blue paper. So I'm adding just some plain white cardstock under that. I've just cut it to the same size. And now I'm just going to hold that in place while I grab my sewing machine. And I'm going to stitch across that to secure it in place. So that is now done. I'm adding one of those beautiful floral thickers to the side of the photo there, and a cute little lady beetle as well. Now at the top left corner, I've got this piece that says celebrate. So that's gone on there. And I'm also going to add this cute little puffy bee. So I've just added some stitching to the celebrate word and to the left side of that ephemera piece. So I'll give you a closer look at that. You can see that stitching on the left there and those layered elements. And here's that cute little puffy camera. You can see where I've stitched across where it says Mother's Day there. And there's that cute little bee at the top, that little lady beetle on the flower, and you can see the stitching across that acetate piece. So this spread is now done, nice and quick and easy, and I can add it into my Life Crafted album. So I hope you've enjoyed seeing how this one's come together today. Please let me know if you've got any questions. Just pop it down below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can, and I look forward to sharing another project with you very soon. Enjoy your day.